How did you get introduced to Microsoft Access? My story? I discovered it completely by accident. Back in the early 90s, I was installing Microsoft Office 2.0 from what felt like a mountain of floppy disks. Remember those? I used Word and Excel all the time, maybe PowerPoint once in a while. So I just did a full install and checked every box. After sitting there swapping disks forever, I finally fired this thing up to make sure it worked. Word, good. Excel, working. Then I saw this thing called Microsoft Access, and I thought, what the heck is this? Now, at the time, I was working as a contract programmer, building a database system in C++ for a small business. It was DOS-based, and I was coding everything by hand. Tables, input screens, logic, all of it. It worked, but it was slow to build and a lot of effort. So I figured I'd poke around this Access thing just to see what it could do. I knew a lot about programming, but I knew very little about databases. No training, nothing. Completely self-taught since I was like 8 years old. But even with my limited skill set, in an afternoon I had figured out how to build tables, some basic forms, and I got a basic system working that I did the same thing in C++. It had taken me weeks. And here I did this thing in just a few hours with Access. That was my light bulb moment. This thing was pretty cool. So that same day, I drove over to Barnes & Noble. I picked up a book on Access. I think it was the Access 2 Bible, but I'm not sure. I had a bunch of them eventually. And I started teaching myself. Between that book and tearing apart the original Northwind database, that's how I learned Access. We didn't have YouTube back in those days. So I discovered Access completely by accident, then taught myself how to use it from books. I didn't go looking for it. I just accidentally clicked on the Install Everything box in Microsoft Office, and I stumbled onto the thing that ended up shaping my entire career. After that, I spent the next few years working as a contract Access developer, building databases for small businesses, and learning more with every project. Eventually, I took that experience and opened my own training center, where I started teaching Access along with Word and Excel and lots of other stuff in person in small groups. In fact, my first experience with recording videos came from those live classes. I actually had a VCR that I hooked up to a TV, much like you see here, and I would record each session as I taught it. Students who attended the class had the option to purchase a VHS tape, remember those, with their session on it, so they could go back and review everything at their own pace later. It turned out to be really popular, and I decided to move from the classroom to just recording videos, shipping out on CDs at first. And then once YouTube hit the scene, I moved to online training, and I'm still doing that today. So that's my story. Now I'm curious to hear your story. How did you get introduced to Microsoft Access? Did you stumble into it like I did? Or did someone hand it to you and say, here, use this? So leave a comment down below and tell me how it all started for you. I'd love to read through them, and I might even feature some of the best ones in an upcoming video. Live long and prosper, my friends. I'll see you next time. Oh, and I just have to add as a PS, I gave the AI a picture of me from when I was like 20 years old, and it got the hair perfectly and the little faded, not quite there yet mustache. That's exactly how I looked when I was like 18, 19. So it's perfect. I love how AI is coming along with image generation. And this one, spot on. I just described the TV in the AV cart that I used to have in the corner, and that's almost exactly what it looked like. And this one, yeah, okay, yeah. It originally put me in a suit and tie because I gave it this picture to work with as a template. And then I had to say, no. I don't wear a suit and tie at home. This is a picture I took. I was going to a wedding once about 10 years ago. It's the first time in a long time I'd wore a suit and tie. But I'm like, nah, put me in a Rush t-shirt or something. Okay, bye-bye. Let me hear your story. Post it down below. I'm curious.